As you know, we're living at the Catfish Farm. Our motorhome is about 100 yards across the parking lot from the restaurant. We decided to go to the restaurant for a little food. It was dry as could be. We sat down, and before our food came out, the storm hit. Well, just about everybody came off the lake as soon as the storm started. This guy decided to stay out. Now that's real dedication. He stayed out through the worst part of the storm, and we had lightning strikes about a third of a mile away. By the time we were done with dinner, the storm was over, it was dry, and we were able to walk back to the motorhome without getting a drop on us. I put the shot of the chair blowing off the table because I know people in California think a severe storm is when your patio furniture blows over.